Welcome to the last breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Sign in to Google Drive with the account you will use for sharing. Upload the Excel file to Drive by dragging it into My Drive or using New Upload. After upload, right-click the file and choose Open with Google Sheets to convert the workbook. Conversion preserves sheet names and cell values, but can change formulas and formatting. Keep the original Excel file saved as a CSV backup in case you need raw values or to troubleshoot conversion issues. Open the destination Google Sheet where you want live data to appear. In a cell type equals import range, spreadsheet URL, sheet 1, A1, C100, replacing spreadsheet URL with the converted file URL. The first time you run import range, you must click Allow Access to grant read permission. Use explicit ranges such as sheet 1, A1, C100 to limit data transfer and improve performance. Keep sheet names consistent between files to avoid broken references and update ranges. When you add for recurring updates, use an add-on like SheetGo or write a Google Apps script to sync data on a schedule. SheetGo provides point-and-click connections and can run every hour or day. A custom app script can fetch a Drive Excel file, convert it, and copy ranges programmatically on a time trigger. If your source is a static CSV, you can use import data, CSV URL for simple pulls. Always keep a CSV backup and review permissions and triggers weekly to ensure reliable syncing.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.